Kevin Frawley here, and we're talking about our hands-on at-home courses for surgical aesthetics. We talk about our grafting, suturing, being able to do these courses at home now is quite a benefit for all of us. This is something that we used to travel for and do at your various locations, but now you can do this in the comfort of your home. So come on over and look and see kind of the stuff that we use. We send you all of your instruments, so you have the instruments at home. We have our suture boards where we practice suturing. You can see some of the sutures that we've gone over here. The models that we use enable us to practice placement of membranes and go over the techniques of various membranes. In the lecture part of the course, we talk a lot about conservative extraction techniques, protecting the bone, different tips and tricks that we use, and we hope you to come on board and take one of our courses.